message. You'll be giving all your fans after your new movie releases?
What? Fans? I do have. They will do whatever I say. They will follow my dress code. They will follow my hairstyle. They will also follow my style as I do.
That's okay. I heard that you're going to step into politics.
Today I am an hero. Even tomorrow I can start a channel. The day after tomorrow I can become CM to take care of my family. I will do whatever I want. If tomorrow I become an CM, I will make you as a minister. I'll take a leave.
All those boys who were roaming around in the streets till yesterday have become famous heroes now.
It's a very romantic place.
But I don't think they'll give it.
Hey, no liquor.
No smoking. I think our dreams have been smashed.
What is the use of having such a place? This is not fair, huh?
This is just the outside, but we are going to be inside. Yeah.
Somebody's coming.
Yeah. Is he carrying grass in his hand? What an owl with a smile.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm
Is
Balan,
it?
manager of this resort.
Oh.
This is for you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you.
What is this?
It's
Grass?
for me, huh?
Hey, just see.
Welcome, sir. Please come in.
Okay. Oh, she's going. I'm going.
Just bring your luggages, man. You look so handsome, yeah.
I have heard this dialogue somewhere. Huh? Please wait. Please wait. Please
What
wait.
happened to him?
Hey,
Please
what do you
wait.
want?
Trekking safari, campfire with music. Like this, we provide many things here.
Okay.
Especially without disturbing others. We also provide some special things.
Bro, what do you actually mean?
That much only I can tell you. That is what management has instructed. And then with
You will
people
also
like
compromise in
you,
a small way.
yes, little bit compromise.
That is enough.
But flirting that girl is not allowed. She is an important person here.
Here's the
Give me
Gomadi, Gomadi, you please take them and show all the
Kaumadi,
Gomadi.
is
It's
it?
not Kaumadi, it's Gomadi. Okay?
Okay.
Please follow her.
You.
I hope this dirty guy does not come with us.
Ah, good boys. Oh my God! By this time I would have gone under the car. What happened? Why you are late? I will go and get you the keys. Okay?
Then get the
you
keys
guys, please
faster.
wait here. Cat's face and the name is Levi's.
Your name is Gomati, right?
Yes, sir.
Nice name.
These guys come here to irritate us. Hey, you only said that we'll get nice lamb
It's
meat.
true, man.
But however, it's going to be a hell of a celebration.
We got something for time pass, Sanju.
Hey, buddy, their entry's on right time.
Who's the guys who's got them entry here, man?
Not only the entry, the timing is also right. All five are there.
Don't look at them. All are rogues.
Yes, yes.
Do you know them as well?
Come.
No. Let's go from here. Yeah?
Hey, wait there.
what you guys are doing?
What are you doing? Try to be decent like me.
Hey, buddy, please move. Huh? Oh my God.
Sir, we have allotted 2 rooms for
Hey,
you.
We are
see.
only looking for one room.
Man. What a girl.
Who is living in that quarters?
Please don't look there, sir. An old lady and 2 girls are staying
Oh.
there. So be careful. They are very dangerous people.
Gaumadi, are you Tamil?
But I know English very well. My native place is Kambam.
So you were from Kambam.
Don't talk rubbish, man. You fool.
Very dangerous.
Denny. Control.
How to control, man?
Okay, then let's go.
Okay.
Hey, thanks for coming, huh?
Wait
Where are you
there,
going,
buddy.
man?
Where are you
Come
going?
here.
Come inside.
Go inside the room.
Get inside.
Hey, buddy, lock the door.
Okay.
Otherwise, he'll jump.
Ah, nice room.
Hi. Wow.
What happened to this guy? Hello. What are you doing?
So what, man?
What do you mean, so what? Just get up.
1, 2, 3.
What is this, man? You brought only panties.
I bought only this. Rest of the things are there with you.
Oh, in that case, we'll give that too.
Oh my God. Nothing would happen to that God.
What happened?
Oh God. Oh, buddy.
What is it?
Where is it? Ah.
You are the true friend. Come on, pour it, man.
For whom? After I complete, you can have it, okay?
What your dad told was right. You are the most selfish person.
What your dad told was also right. Don't export the sand to Rajasthan.
Just stop barking like dogs. That's what my dad used to say.
What, dude?
Oh, please, don't bring out the actor in you.
Let that fear be there with you.
Oh my Gomati, I'm going to drink
Come on,
this
pour it fast,
alone.
man.
This drink is for me.
Elders used to say,
Serve it.
regularly use medicine. Hey, look there.
Saya? Saya? Saya, get inside. Mummy, I just listen to what I say.
Hi. Dude, I liked it.
Just get in.
You guys don't know who I am.
Oh man, there is a reason for all the rapes in the country.
You're right. Why would people not lay their hands?
So who wanted to actually touch me? Is it you, is it?
Hey, it's for me. Not only touching,
And wanted to kiss me also. Sweet boy.
who is she, man?
We all must suffer.
Celebration is yet to start. Some more yet to come. Come on, welcome. I am Balu Kamath, manager in charge of this resort.
Thank you.
Uh,
I'm Dahlia from Chennai.
uh,
All the programs in this resort will be coordinated by me.
oh. Yeah. Sir called and told me.
Oh.
You're the private secretary too to Mr. Krishna Menon, right?
Yes. I think I'm in right time.
Vedagadi, Vedi, Vengadi.
Yes, sir, coming.
Madam, your room is ready. Please come with me. Okay.
What, sir?
Take this luggage, this luggage and keep it in madam's room.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
Madam, please.
Carry on. Please. Give me control, my God.
Even though I didn't meet her face to face, my heart says she is beautiful.
Not only she, there are 3 of them.
I think you saw all the clothes drying there.
How you know that?
He's right, buddy. 3 are in different sizes. Hey, buddy. Look here, man. Just look here. Ajmal P. A stringy fellow, but he looks neat.
Get lost.
Very bad. Oh, he just saw his pride of having a free drink. Thank you. Thank you very much.
What is this?
Hey, leave it. I just kept it for dry, man.
Are you planning to take it to military? This has a lot of bullet holes, buddy. I don't know whether they're wearing or not. Hey, lover. Lover. Lonely lover.
Lonely lover?
Hello? Ah, wow. Hanging legs. There is no Caesar without Juliet. No Juliet without Caesar.
Oh, mommy.
Ah. I don't know something recorded. Wow, that a handsome man.
What a sweet boy.
One day I will throw this down and destroy it.
Hmm? Don't do.
You just started making a film out of mobile camera, you bugger.
What is that? You should not be saying all that, buddy. This is my passion.
By watching a lot of movies of Vijay and carrying such things in your hand will not make you a cinema person. You need little luck also.
I want to see her. I am longing to see her, man. Is love so beautiful? I can see it clearly through my eyes.
Hello? What happened?
Dreaming about your lover, huh?
Oh, can you see her?
Yeah. I am seeing her through my eyes. I am seeing her.
Where?
In my dreams, in my thoughts.
Oh,
That has a visual logic. See who is that? It's so late now. They would have called as they were not able to see us. We three are men, right? They would have thought something bad about us.
especially when they like you with us. Okay, let it be my Gomadi.
Hey, get lost.
Yeah. Who are you?
I'm Vigneshwar. Room service come cook.
Oh, now we don't want anything.
What about night?
Night?
Now, what do you want for dinner in the night?
Oh.
What about afternoon?
Those are available in the restaurant, sir.
I want lamb meat.
Oh, we don't get it over here, sir.
Whatever is available now.
Sir, it's not like that, sir. Whatever you wanted, we will prepare it and give it to you. Chapati, fried rice, meals, kubus, and tandoori chicken.
Lamb meat?
Huh?
Can you have black coffee?
Okay, sir.
Bring it.
God
get in,
knows
you
what
come
are they up to. Please wait, sir. I'll go and bring it. Oh my God. Is this what a celebration is? Eating, drinking, pissing, and sleeping. What are they going to achieve in their lives? What kind of life is this? New generation, it seems. What to say?
It's a blunt cheating. You? Hey, you are the one said that you will get me a lamb meat from here.
That's not me. See, that is him.
Me?
Then, what is the use of coming here? You guys will be cursed for this. All become waste.
Hello, sir. What do you like to
4
have?
sets of chapati and chicken chili. Should be all right with everybody,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, okay.
Okay.
You're okay, right?
Okay,
yeah, that's
thank
okay
you,
for
sir.
me.
Please get
Make
it fast.
huh? They are here. Wherever we go, they are there. They might get from
Forget those guys.
Huh.
Look here.
Okay,
They are
okay.
here. Wherever we go, they are there. Hey, hey. Hey.
What, man?
Sit down.
I was just simply walking over there.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, good afternoon.
Sir, your meals is ready.
Then take it. Bring it, bring it.
Take it.
Give us.
Take it. Take it.
What, man?
Simply, huh?
Hey.
Hey, that's not good, man.
I come to storeroom.
I see. 6 meals and 4 sets of chapati. Immediate order.
Chapati will be delayed. I have to heat it.
Then it's good. Just only 3-4 groups have reached. 2-3 families are yet to come. And you guys are having fun here.
Oh, then what? I didn't struggle to deliver 8 kids. Eating them for 4 chapatis are not hard for me.
Don't you have to go and deliver the chapatis?
Daddy.
Tangam, I really have to appreciate you.
What is it, sir?
Giving birth to 8 kids is not an easy.
She should not be appreciated for that. But her husband,
Why is that?
that was a mission.
Oh, go. I told you number of times, isn't it?
What's that, Dad?
You should keep little away from the guest.
But Daddy,
You don't talk.
What is the problem, Gomadi? Tell me what is that? We will find a solution for that.
For what are you going to bring the solution here? When she was 4 years old, on this kind of same event, her mother ran away with a Tamilian. Can you find a solution for that? After that incident, on every occasion, there is a fire in my heart.
you don't have to worry, Dad. I don't do such things.
Vignesh, come here. Gomadi is our kid.
Uh,
We know her very well. She don't do such thing.
Chapati is ready.
uh,
Aviyal Thoran Kichadi. What should I prepare in this?
You prepare some dishes now. We will name the dishes according to taste.
Now then.
if you have a cow in your place believing someone's field, then your cow will not even be used for beef
You'll
curry.
be getting cow shit, isn't
Then
it?
you eat it, man.
You go, man.
You come
I
with
know
me,
that.
baby.
If you go to Bihar, you know what the people will do. They might kill you and eat you.
Hello?
Hey, what is that, man?
Tell me. Wait. 1 minute.
Dude, I'll come back.
Where are you going?
Restroom, man.
Restroom. He went behind her.
Yeah, I came. How many times to tell you? Yeah, he came in the morning. Okay.
Look, there he goes right behind her. He is so wasted.
Yes, Tali Mills, isn't it, madam? Yes. Okay.
You have it in your plate.
Don't make fun of me, man.
Hey, Moo. Hey, Becker. That's why you told you don't want meals, Oh, God. What will I have tonight?
What happened, man?
Nothing,
Bad
man.
fellow.
I just went around this place with him.
Why?
Didn't feel like sitting in the room, that's all. This place is so beautiful.
I know.
You went behind the alley, right? Then we couldn't see you anywhere. Huh?
Did you go for some special meat, huh?
Not lamb, buddy.
Then?
It was chicken.
Oh,
My stomach was very upset. That is why I came to room.
You need it, man.
Mm.
Before meals,
Hey, give that to me.
you were flirting with those girls, right? That's why your stomach upset.
Mm.
What are you looking? Huh? Today I'm not for anything. I want to have 2 pegs, then bath. After that, sleep.
Looks like you've started new habits.
Having bath, it's not only him. Your habits are also changed. Very happy.
Oh my God, power is gone. Brother, please light off that solar light. He's very obedient.
Oh my god.
Hey, give me some.
At last, man. Only for me.
Only for you?
Oh my
Thank
dear
God.
heart.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Okay, sir. I'll let you know, sir. Regarding the cash, as you say, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Who called you on the phone?
That manager. He was
What
asking
happened?
about the program.
To enjoy the 7 days, he covers the entry pass. Why is he inquiring about all this?
Where is that fellow who went to bring the beer? Has he got caught into the opponent hands?
Don't say that. The ant is not going to eat the iron.
Oh, your leg, man. All this. Who could that be in this morning? Not allowing me to sleep. rascal. Did these guys drink Fevicol yesterday? This is so sticky, it's not getting off my leg. Come on. Yes, coming. Denny, please open it, man.
Good morning.
Good morning. Right? Hey, this is our morning newspaper.
No, Kaumati.
She's my daughter.
Is it so, uncle?
Is it? But it is not so obvious.
If you want to go outing or something,
Like trekking, swimming, or sightseeing. To the people who's not interested to go for all these people, we have a special place. It's a very special
what
place.
special?
Lunch is also provided.
So those who don't go outside will stay for lunch?
That
Then
is-
where will they have lunch?
In that case, we'll also be there for lunch.
see you on lunch, sir.
Okay, baby, come here.
Pleasure.
Come,
Sure, sure.
come.
Thank
Let's
you.
go.
Close the door, man.
So for today's lunch, she'll be there. Yes! Go, you naughty fellow.
What happened to him?
Who knows?
Idiot spoiled it.
What happened, dude?
Nonsense.
Okay.
Hey, are you pulling something in your dream?
I can see her, man.
Whom are you seeing?
On a cool evening.
What?
We lost him.
In the deep green forest.
What happened
The
to me?
garden of my heart.
You finished it.
I doubt whether he will reach home.
Go, go.
Hello? I'm Sanjay. I'm staying in that cottage.
Who is that, baby?
Where are my friends?
Who are you? I'm not able to recognize.
I'm Sanjay. I live in that cottage.
So what?
Nothing. We stay in nearby cottages, so I thought I'll just meet you. Auntie, you are from Kottayam, right? Even I am from there.
Where in Kottayam?
That is Pambadi.
Sit.
Thank you, Auntie.
Anything else, man?
No thanks.
It's okay.
We were in Chennai. But now for the past 1.5 years, we are in our
Oh.
native. This is my eldest daughter, Sandra. Have it.
Thanks, Auntie. By the way, Uncle?
Papa was in Air Force when he was in service.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. That is why we came to our native. Being like that, we got an invitation from a contest in FM. Ultimately, we thought the atmosphere would change.
Oh, then why don't you go for sightseeing? You all are always locked inside this room.
Mummy doesn't like to go for outing.
So what, Auntie? If you don't mind, I'm going for an outing this evening with my friends.
I don't think Sandra will come. Not only that, without knowing you, how could we join? Sanjay, where are you staying in Kottayam?
Padambi. Oh, sorry. Pambadi.
Where exactly in Pambadi?
From Pambadi Junction, take a left and then right.
What not?
It is towards east of the rubber plantation. Our ex-chief minister used to stay there, you know. This tea is very hot.
What is the plan for day?
Now the song is the best thing.
That's true. But in this song, only I and she should be there.
You don't want dancers?
All that we can apply in the climax scene.
Or else we will have an item dance, huh?
Why to have item dance, buddy? We can get into room and lock it, buddy.
This nature is so beautiful, just like jasmine flower. When the dewdrops fall on this ground, I and she will be alone. If we need dancers in the background, let the director decide on that.
Oh. The dark night is been arrested. The beautiful dark night. Is there any children in that vehicle?
Can we stop there and ask them?
Huh. Come, buddy, let's see.
Did something happen, man?
Are we in trouble, man?
Problem will come as snake, dog, or snow, buddy.
Hey, those guys. These guys don't sleep in the night or what?
See the battery thieves, man.
Is it robbery or something else? Come on, man.
Theft is your dad work.
Hey,
At
they
least
want-
leave something behind.
Oh God. What do we do now?
We can't do anything, Denny.
Huh?
Just move this man a little.
You go and take a vehicle.
Then
We'll go straight to the resort.
to resort.
Hey, those devils already saw us.
You're right.
If this guy stays here, we will be catch.
Come, move him a
Take.
little. What a smell. I think he has a celebrated well.
Stop smelling him and move him fast,
He
man.
looks like from a good family. Oh my God, he's too
Hey,
heavy,
leg,
buddy.
leg. Be careful, be careful.
This bottle is empty.
Be careful, man.
I thought something would be left. Even though he's fully drunk, he has not left the steering yet.
He is still driving, man.
Hey, look.
I think everyone would have slept.
Take him
Let's
fast.
bring him down.
Hey.
Oh my God, he's too heavy.
Oh my God.
Old man, old.
Careful, careful.
Okay.
Who's that?
This fellow never sleep or what?
Hey, it's you, right?
Yes.
Who is he?
This is Sanju's uncle. He is full tight.
Oh my God, this is our Krishna Menon, sir, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Is Krishna Menon, sir, is Sanju's uncle?
Yeah, that's right.
He told
Oh,
us.
I see. Then uncle and son are boozing and enjoying nicely, right, guys? Okay, then. Will you take this Krishna Menon sir to the cottage, or else should I take him to the cottage?
What quota?
Kota is over. That's why he has become like this. I meant Krishna Menon sir's cottage.
Yeah, he told us.
Yeah, in fact, that's what Uncle was talking to us about before he was completely drunk.
Yeah. He said so much about you, Balan bro.
Is it so?
Yes.
Sir likes me so much.
Oh,
really?
I am the only person he trusts in this resort.
Okay, then we will get you to our cottage.
Yeah, very well.
So for this
Just for
night,
today,
let
we'll
him
take
sleep
you
in
to
our
our
cottage.
cottage.
Good night, huh?
Be careful.
Hey, stop
What
there.
happened now?
Hey, Sanjay, stop there. Is there any balance in sir's bottle to give it to me?
Yeah, a little bit is there. But if he gains conscious and asks for the bottle, shall I tell him that you took it from him?
No, you please take him and go. It's so chill outside. You'll be happy if sir chases me out of this place. I know.
Try to go and sleep, man.
Today I'll adjust with this smell.
Hey,
Oh,
hold
what
the
else I
body
can do?
tightly,
Mm.
or else it might be failing
Else
to
we'll take
water.
him in the morning,
All
man.
bars are closed in and around this place. From where these guys are getting it? My dear God, let me go to sleep.
They're taking someone with them.
Hey, buddy, open the door.
Yeah, move,
What
man.
do, man?
Opening.
Yeah, I'm opening. Yeah, bring him.
He is going in slow motion.
I hope no one saw us.
Handle with care, it might break.
Hey, careful.
Oh,
Just keep his
mommy.
legs straight. Let him sleep properly. He's my own uncle. Come on, remove. Now only after he wakes up can we do something.
Only he wakes up, we can do something. Yeah.
Uncle? Hey, mix water with that, man.
On our bad luck, what if this man doesn't wake up?
If he doesn't wake up, I don't know what to do. All three of us will be trapped.
That's true.
Let us wait till morning. So pity.
See how your uncle is sleeping.
Enough.
Hey Sanju, someone is there, man. Come fast. What, man?
Who is that?
I don't know.
Some people come here, not just for celebration, Their motive is something else, something wrong.
You're right. To complete our celebration, if the person inside gets well. Come in.
Hey, that's a ghost, man.
Yeah, that's right.
Take it. That is that crazy girl.
Who was at the door this morning? Hey, someone go and see who it is. Ah, Denny? Hey, Denny. Hey, get up, man. Hey, look here, man. Something's wrong, man. He's missing.
Hey, search
Oh my God.
Where is he?
You just go and
Will
see,
that be
man.
police? Oh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I was trying to call you many times. I think yesterday you were boozed up.
Yeah, that's right.
This is coffee, sir.
Okay.
I think among these three guys, something is wrong. Or they would have stayed somewhere else. But why here? Something will be there.
Vigneswaran doesn't know that the man was there with us yesterday.
I'll think about that in restroom. Hey, Sanju. Come here. Come fast.
I think it is his family.
Maybe.
How it can be possible? But
Will they be his relative or something?
So you were in judicial service, is it?
Yes. 30 years. Started my career as public prosecutor. Then traveled till High Court Division Bench. Then I stopped on my own. Voluntary retirement.
Oh, okay.
Oh, just with this resort and other businesses.
Who are all there at home, uncle?
Everyone were there. When it came to sharing the property, I thought it is always good to be alone. When I want to be alone, I generally come here.
Wherever it might be, living alone is.
Even though I had lot of ways in front of me, this is what I have chosen. Knowingly or unknowingly, I have been the cause of many people's loneliness. Just a guilt of that. Why is Santa not saying anything?
Nothing, uncle.
Okay, then I'm leaving
Okay,
now.
then.
I have an estate nearby. I have to go there. As usual. It's just a regular formal visit.
Let it happen accordingly.
Okay. Thanks for the coffee.
Welcome, uncle. Uncle,
Huh?
we have band team program at night. See you there.
Okay. Bring Santa also along with you. Bye-bye. Good morning, Father. I'm here in the resort. Okay.
Oh, police.
Hey, there's a vehicle.
Police.
Jamal Hussain.
Uh-huh.
Sir, how long will you be here?
Just for a little while. For a business purpose.
Benjamin sir explained to me about the relationship between you and his father.
Now only he is there to take care of my responsibilities. Okay? You leave now. I'll call you if it is required.
Yes,
okay?
sir. Okay, thank
Bye.
you.
Not us, man.
Thank God
escaped.
they're leaving.
He looked us right.
Let's go and see,
Don't
let's
touch
go
that.
and
I'm
see.
coming. Idiot fool.
Hey, ask him, man. Ask him.
Let's surrender, man.
Why did police come here, sir?
My friend's son was the DYSP here.
Oh.
Now he is in Kottayam.
Oh.
I have some cases here, so he just came to see me.
Oh.
We got scared, sir.
Okay, thanks
Ah.
for bringing me safe here. Let me take some rest. I'm still tired, feeling weak too.
Ah.
Evening we will know more about it.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And I heard all that had happened yesterday. The manager told me everything.
We don't know that you are the owner of this resort. Not even considering your age.
Don't just go by the looks. I'm still young at heart.
No, no, no.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
include me in your celebration.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hey, buddy, my soul is peaceful now.
Keep quiet and come, man.
Saya,
Yeah.
I was looking for you this morning.
Why? For what? Now do you remember where is your house at Kottayam?
No, not that. Who was the person having coffee with you in the morning?
Oh, Krishna Menon
Yeah.
uncle. You lied that he's Sanjay's uncle, right?
Yesterday I couldn't make any other excuse other than that.
This resort belongs to Krishna Menon uncle.
Name Krishna Menon, age 55, retired judge. I know all that. His business is huge and it is spread in many places.
Oh, how do you know all this?
Last night I searched his purse also.
Mm.
I just checked his purse to know who the person is. By the way, what happened to Sandra?
She had an affair when she was studying. One Mr. Rahul.
Mm-hmm.
But that person, after that affair flopped, she became depressed like this. After that, she.
Yesterday you slept very late. What happened?
Yeah. I was watching a movie, that's why.
What was the movie?
22 female Kottayam.
How is that new generation Fagat Fazil movie?
Oh, the story of the brother who lost his instrument.
Eh? Here come our Chinese girl. Hi, Sandra. Where is Sanju?
Hi. Hello.
Something's
Dude.
wrong.
Tell me!
Sandra!
Hey, Sandra! Oh. Hey, leave him. Doing like this. Hey, what happened? Hey, Sanju! Sanju!
Come here! She is doing something to me!
Hey, come fast!
Yeah, I'm coming.
Leave me!
Hey,
What happened, Denny?
I don't know, man. Just take her from here.
Be careful.
You just stay here anyway. I'll take them to the cottage.
Okay.
Hey,
Just help me, man.
I think you come to this resort to carry heavy weight.
Careful. Go.
You be here. I'll be back.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, go, man.
Okay.
Go.
Something very bad happened to her.
Somehow we escaped. What kind of madness, man?
My phone is ringing. Hello?
Someone is waiting to see you, sir.
Who is that?
One Pisharedi. Maitran Pisharedi.
These guys reached here? Hey! Where are you going?
Come on.
Pisharedi.
Who's that?
Come, I'll tell you.
They've come.
Come, I'll tell you. We were just.
This person has been waiting for you for quite some time. Since we are advocates, we have been discussing about some law points.
Sir told me about you and your friends' mischiefs.
What is he wanted to tell us?
Nothing, man. Sir, you come.
Don't try to cheat me, this Maitren. You can't cheat me in any way.
Your relative? You never told about this man to us till
There is
now?
no way you to know about me. I am from Chennai. Very old company.
You come with me, sir. We'll go aside and talk.
For what? Let them know about your matter. You would have never expected me
Sir,
here.
you come with me, sir.
Leave me.
Come on, sir.
I'll take leave, sir. Where are you taking me? To drown me inside the water? That is only left now. For 4 years I've been searching you. I can't do it anymore. Both of you can take care and do it. when Sankaran sir was there. I will give you some more time. Maximum 1 month. Within that, finish everything and come back.
Is there anything to say?
When you are giving excuse to Maitren, you have to understand something. For taking a case of unfaithfulness, even if it is Uttaranchal or Kerala, it is with the same IPC.
I will finish my work on time. I'm giving you a word.
Good. Or else, we might lose it, whatever we planned.
I know.
I will be in Kerala for next 1 month. Not here, in Maitren's setup.
What is your problem? Why did Advocate Pishareddy came researching for you?
What is the relationship between you and him?
If it is not very personal, if I am permitted to listen.
Nothing, sir. Few doubts. My friends are inquiring that in a police manner.
I have not seen any police manner.
We know him for the past 4 years, but till now we haven't met this guy.
Whatever problem we will share with him. But he is covering up something from us. We want to know. If he will not tell, he is not our friend, sir.
It's only 4 years. But before that, the same Dennis was there. Maybe he couldn't say that openly. But there can be changes in each and every man.
The period which sir was saying, I was searching for some desires of mine. But after that session, the best friends I got is these two. I believe them.
You don't want to tell.
We are not interested in your story.
You guys should know. Before few years, I have reached Chennai with the help of a friend. One of the newly started company in Chennai, Blue Magic. He found a job for me. As the company recognized me as a good drummer, they gave me the responsibility to make an album, which was agreed to finish within 3 months and got advance too. To make a subject and to shoot, so I went to Trivandrum. But it took many months for me to find the good topic for that. The money what I had was spent. The agreed duration got over. I could not pay back the company. So I ended Chennai's relationship and stayed in Trivandrum. But company didn't stay quiet. 5 times of the money, 5 lakhs was the penalty the company claimed from me. As the company couldn't find me, the person who recommended fee more the job was saved by the company. To find out some other way to come out, Maitran came here. He gave 1 month time for me.
What if you can't pay the money within 1 month?
I must accept the punishment they gave.
Why didn't you tell us all this?
Slogging out for a day's money for survival itself is hard here. Then how can we think about lakhs?
Since there still is a time of 1 month, let me contact the company and discuss. And then we will decide whether the problem has been sorted out or not. What do you say?
Hey, what is this? Everyone are looking at the canal?
Hey, just like that.
This is not an award film, I think. You all came here to have fun, is it?
Celebration has just started, uncle. There are lot more days for fun.
Nothing. When we are all celebrating, this child is not participating in anything. That's my concern.
Who said Sandra is not participating? In all celebration, my sweetheart will be with us.
Yes, that's how it should be.
This is not a lesson but my heart. Not the rice paddy but a burning furnace. Someone grab my heart too. Not a river. Fall but fall celebration.
I can understand you. I can give you how much you want.
You don't even have money to buy underwear for you. You're talking about crores. Come on, get lost.
Or
now.
else, I will kill him.
Good idea.
I will go to jail for you.
Yeah, go fast then.
Give that glass and see who it is, man.
Pour some more.
Why are you so much greedy? Finish that.
Wait, man, I'm coming. Sir. Please come in, sir. Hey, sir has come.
Hey, sir.
Can I also join in your celebration?
Sir, will you have drinks with us?
Why shouldn't I also celebrate?
Sir, please be seated.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
It's okay. Let that be. Let it be.
Thank you.
Sir.
So
Cheers, sir.
Heard one among you is a good singer. Who is that?
That was Denny.
Dennis, sir.
No, sir, I was just blubbering. But Sanjay sings well, sir.
Nothing like that.
Last day of this package, Sanjay's songs and dance will be there.
I can sing. An old song for you, sir.
Oh my god.
Pipaya from the sound of horn we will listen. Keeping the rice and stove done. Hey, hey. Grinding the turmeric and apply on my face now. Your face start burning then. What happened? Not good, huh? You want one more? Sir, you haven't seen my dance? Sir.
Look, there is a close relationship between liquor and poem. Normally, police cannot touch it, even though illegitimate.
What you said, sir, is true, sir.
What correct?
Yeah, man.
The relationship between liquor and poem is real and legitimate. And it is not someone pressurized or story tale, okay?
Hey, what is this, Denny? You sing what you like. Who's going to pressurize you?
You are right.
Exactly. Adu, please.
Certain relationships are like that, Sanjay. For example, I came here to enjoy the celebration in this resort, but now I'm standing with you guys.
But sir,
That's exactly my point. If at all something happens to me in this resort, naturally you will also be inquired.
Sir, we didn't understand what you said. What is going to happen to you in this resort?
You can tell us, sir.
are you scared of someone, sir?
Yes, even when I was in service and even now, I know death is even threatening me here.
Yes, that's right.
I can
Hey,
smell it.
look here, man.
Thanks for the drink, guys. You can go and sleep. See you tomorrow. Good night. Good night.
Hey,
Hey,
man.
please hold to me.
He's so scared of someone, man.
Yeah, he is blabbering, man. Very poor man.
See, having so much of money and how much he is suffering.
Hey, come out, man. How dare you to testimony against me? Dog. Advocate sir has come.
Business partner Sri Kumar was killed by Johnson for money. IPC 302. To be hanged to death.
Correct, sir. Let it happen like that. Get lost.
Brother!
Hi, sir. Have you not gone to bed yet?
Not yet. The plan of your new project was good. That would be more beneficial for the resort. Let us have a walk.
Sure,
Come on. To implement this project, we need to discuss. I will intimate you once I find leisure.
Okay, sir. But, sir, the full credit of this goes to Jiva. Green FM, Are you free tomorrow, sir?
Go ahead.
Oh no, it's okay. Jiva is coming tomorrow to meet you. He's got a lot of ideas to discuss with you.
Okay. I'll be right here. Then see you tomorrow. Good night.
Good night, sir.
A sunflower in water is blooming. Not this? You want another one? Oh. Ah. Sweet language, Radha. You are my sweet heart.
Stop it, man! To spoil the music people like, you idiot. Useless fellow.
I didn't go anywhere to learn music. I can only do this. Hey, you know, if I would had this kind of water pool at home, long back, I would have become genius in singing.
Here comes Devadas. Keep drinking like this, you're gonna lose everything.
Hey, come. Did something happen today?
What should happen?
Your love.
Get lost.
Where?
Already I bought the dress for the kid and the experience is over.
What all you said? 7 days, celebration, lamb meat. What are the expectations we came here? At last I must see you guys have both and get satisfied. Bloody baggers.
Come on, get up and come. I'm feeling hungry.
Eating or loving any girl. There is any work for you to do.
Hey, towel.
I have brought you here and feeding you to rascals, no?
Oh. Had both?
Hope all's well with you guys.
I think I'm going to give them.
What are you going
What
to
is
do,
it?
huh?
Now you want to get beaten up by them too?
Oh, there is no water here or grass here.
Huh?
It's all time of someone. See there, how they are enjoying. They too are enjoying very well.
Let them love, man. Let them love as much as they want.
Okay. Huh. If you would have known the room number, we would see the next spot. Always.
No, man. Will they need that?
What?
What do you have in your hand?
What is the smell?
What is
Are you going?
Are you waiting here for a long time?
No, I was just enjoying the beauty of this resort. How beautiful. Fantastic construction work, right?
As Jiva said, I'm looking into the programs.
Till now there are no doubts, right?
No, but the planning is right. I'm trusting you in doing all this.
Don't be afraid. For all the help, you will be rewarded properly.
That guarantee is enough. But I don't understand your motive behind.
Rest of the days, I want to settle in European countries. To earn enough money, now the rest of the days start with big celebrations. Every day starts with a new celebration.
Sir will be searching now. Let's go to Menon sir's room. Good morning,
sir. Good morning. Dahlia told about you.
Jiva was mentioning about the construction of a resort.
It took a long time to complete the construction here. You're a designer too, sir. What I actually like about the resort is this place. I've heard about you, sir. And Dahlia has also told me enough. Hope all that was good. It's about your business, sir. That's right. But now I have started to think these are useless. Because when I was a prosecutor, the death of my 4 months pregnant wife gave me a lot of pain. And then when her dad also followed her, I lost everything. Sorry, sir. I reminded you of all your old memories. I'm not sure of for whom I'm doing all this. I'm living without any kin. Yes, I have to go to an important place. You guys discuss. Make a plan for the rest of the project. Then we shall sit together.
Yes, sir.
We will have a detailed discussion. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
sir.
When someone else says, we understand certain things. Before us, many people have lived here. Many things were shown to us. But when we see from our own eyes, we'll not be in that.
I wish you don't disturb me for a while.
If this is a disturbance, the beauty, everything we see, we cannot enjoy it. Relationships, it can be love or blood relationship, whatever it can be. That is what we understand more than anything in this world.
A mutual relationship is not being shown to the world. That has been destroyed here. I'm not standing here to think and dream on it, just to forget it, to make my heart to understand.
Do you think that you can feel comforted with that? Keep the old things aside and start to love whatever we see, so that gently the wounds will be healed and can forget certain things.
Without my conscience that day, I'm sorry.
The phone's ringing.
Who's calling you this time, man?
That manager. Why is he calling in the morning?
They'll take a stubborn stand after this.
Nay, no way.
Where do they have time for all that? They're fully addicted with love.
Why did he call you?
To inquire about our program, that's why he called.
Oh.
Hey,
Hmm?
look there.
Oh, wow.
Buddy.
Didn't get what you expected?
Hey,
Yeah,
you're
man.
children's age, man. Hey, small guys.
Get lost, man, get lost.
No, you
You
should
won't
not
get
see.
her.
You should not see. Hello, sir.
Hello, is anything wrong?
Nothing, sir. His sister got mad. We were talking about that.
Well, if you're free tomorrow, thought of taking you out.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, we are free.
Ah, yes.
So then, tomorrow morning.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
What is that?
I think he wants to take you to a mental hospital.
Did you not inquire about that boy again?
No, sir. Even Sandra is not interested in that. Once she was ditched. So once again, we don't want to.
You're right. Nowadays, we can't believe anyone. Why don't you think about someone else?
After that incident, Sandra was very lonely. Then coming here, there's lot of changes in
Oh,
her.
is it so?
Baby,
What happened?
baby,
What's the issue?
nothing
Tell me,
dear,
what is
don't
it?
be scared.
What happened? Tell me. What is it?
Okay.
What is this?
It's a palace. Can't you see?
There are many kids here who were deserted by their mothers and fathers. Father Dominic is the shelter for them.
Oh,
Then,
Jesus.
whatever I earn, I donate all that to these kinds of shelter homes. Now I live only for these people. Good morning, Father.
Praise be to the Lord.
Now and ever the praise be to the Lord. I was in search of you. Here the budget is over. Usual contributions are getting delayed.
No problem at all, Father. I will arrange it tomorrow.
I am not ashamed to ask people like you. People are coming in the name of philanthropists. Mostly they take pictures with children and publicize themselves. Something newer they know. What is that?
Facebook, WhatsApp.
That's it.
Um,
To see how many legs they can get. They are not understanding that these kids have lost their happiness.
I forgot, Father. They are my very important guests.
Ah.
As we came here, I just thought of introducing them to you.
I am very happy. At this age, you are roaming around with these boys?
That is,
That's good. Even our hearts will become young. Everyone says that I am also like the kids.
how is Jansi's condition, Father?
There is no improvement. After my life, I'm happy that you are there for them.
I won't leave you like that, Father. You will be there with me for a long time.
I have one desire. I want to see him, her son, Christopher. Then I want to give Jansi to him.
We can definitely find him. He will come searching for me. I'm waiting.
Jesus, please help us to find him. You want to see her, Jansi? Come.
Okay. You can come to the resort tomorrow morning. Yeah, of course I will be there. Okay, good night.
Good morning,
How are
sir.
you doing?
I'm doing good, sir. Sir got transferred to somewhere and you forgot all of us.
As ruling party and opposite party is changing, they keep changing us too. If I am here today, tomorrow somewhere else. Wherever we are, loyally we have to do our duty.
Usually what happens at home is happening in politics. That is telecasted through the channels to see.
Let it be there. Where is Sir's cottage? I want to see him.
In that same old cottage.
Hey,
that we
who's
don't
this?
give it to outsiders, sir.
What, Mr. Nair? Your tummy is keep growing. You are growing small day by day.
I'm getting older, sir. Now I can't become a hero. I have work here, so I'm continuing.
He is bluffing, sir. He is only zero before and after.
Hey, you're lucky that Sir is here. Otherwise, I would have shown you what is zero.
Jamal, you go to station.
Sir.
I'll call you if
Yes,
anything
sir.
needed.
Okay.
Not zero, man. If you come with me, I'll show you the percentage.
I will turn you around. Get lost, you devil.
Get lost, you idiot. Okay, right? Get back. Now get lost.
Hello, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
When I saw you walking, I remembered my old friend in you.
Last time when I came here, you were not tired like this.
When you say last time, this was 1 year ago, right?
If you are calling in night, surely there will be some important matter. She has grown up as a big girl.
But sir used to say that still I am a kid.
A few doubts might be true. But one thing is for sure. He is somewhere here. But I am unable to understand his motive.
Let's see that. From here with the celebration, I am there with you, sir.
Let that Vignesh idiot not see us.
I am not
You
supposed to
bought it
come
for
here.
me.
If Krishnamenon sir come to know this, I'll lose the job.
Let your job go. I will give you a wonderful job. Grinding the floor in the kitchen.
Sir, drink slowly. Your liver gets spoiled.
That's not true, man. If the big people drink, it is scotch. When we drink, it is arak. That's all. Up, pour it.
Oh, I see. So this is what is happening here. When there is an arrangement of celebrations going on, you are sitting here and drinking.
Sir, I was called by this manager. Please don't complain.
I will go and complain. Till this fellow leaves from here, I will complain.
Oh, get lost, man.
Yeah.
The bottle is getting empty. If you want have a peg, complain, we can give it later.
Here is the glass.
Stingy fellow has come with ready-made
Yeah,
glass.
Pour.
Hey, Venkatesh, he is just a blabbering man. You pour one more for
Enough?
me.
Yeah, enough,
Or
enough.
it's okay.
Yeah, you
I'll
drink
take
that.
this and drink.
Whoever drinks with me, if he vomits, I'll be so happy.
Why is that?
Because there'll be balance in the bottle. Cheers.
This is like the locked bar opened
One bar
again.
is reopened, then we'll go to the bar and drink. Come.
Hey man, listen, you first finish this. Then after this,
Not
we'll go to the
at
bar.
all.
Hello? I will come. Little more time. 1 or 2 more things to be done. From here onwards, my days will be in Chennai.
Who is that on phone?
That Maitreyan. He want me
Oh.
to settle that cash now. What to do now?
You don't worry, man. We will talk to Krishnamenon, sir.
Are you crazy? We just got some little time with him and going and asking this much money.
Yeah, he's right. Tomorrow we will be leaving. Once again, problems and responsibility. Like this every day, if we have chicken biryani, would have been good.
Sir? Sir?
What had happened?
Nothing known. No one is saying anything clearly.
The owner of this resort, Mr. Krishnamenon, sir. Something's happened to him. We don't know.
They only invited us, but it is like insulting.
All of you have to forgive us. Without the permission of Benjamin, sir, we cannot let anyone to go out.
Sir, at least you please tell us. What happened to Menon, sir? These police people are not allowing us to get into Menon sir's room.
We are being embarrassed among these guests. We are not able to give them any answers. Tell us, sir, who is responsible for Menon sir's murder?
Dahlia, you have been with Sir long time. Do you have any idea that Sir has enemies?
I don't know. In my knowledge, none.
So, you are the man behind this nasty game. Come. Dahlia, do you know Jiva?
Yes, he's a marketing head in Green FM. This entire tour package was coordinated by me and Jiva.
That's all the relationship?
Sir asked us to plan the new business proposal. Marketing plan made here was most successful. We had very good support from Sir. Otherwise...
What if I say that your plan was also there to plan this murder?
No, sir. I don't know anything.
Now I will tell you what happened. Chennai's #1 business group company, Mirage 6, wanted to own this resort. So company appointed Jiva. Very attractive commission was also promised. But then Menon sir never wanted to sell this property. To agree with that, Jiva joined hands with Dahlia. She also fell into the trap. When Menon sir decided not to sell this, then the plan is to kill him. That was the only way was left for you. This was what happened, right?
No, I don't know. I never did this. What you're saying might be right, but I don't have any connection with this murder.
Sir, what Dahlia is saying is right. I'm the only one responsible.
Yes.
She is innocent.
I wanted to know this from your mouth. I know that you are the only one who did this. But one question is pending. Why did you kill Menon sir? Tell Mr. Jiva.
Just open your mouth and tell you bloody.
No, Jamal. Jiva will say that.
Murder was not main motive, but it just happened.
Just happened? Was it not planned? This is a resort, not a police station. Unnecessarily don't make Jamal to raise his hand.
Sir, leave him to me. I'll make him talk.
As if we can do that.
Shut up.
If a resort is not able to sell, then it reaches to murder. It's hard to believe. If I say that this is the consequence of judgment given years before. Tell me, Mr. Christopher, as a small boy roaming around the orphanage of Father Dominic, let me hear the interesting story of that small boy becoming Jiva. In orphanage record, your real name still there as fresh. Very interesting. So tell me, what is your motivation? For what it is?
Our small world as me, my dad and my mom is being destroyed by that man, criminal lawyer Krishna Mohan. In front of us, my dad's friend was killed. That crime was being kept on my dad's head. I never understood. Even in the court, when he was sentenced to death, when my dad was taken to be hung, I saw happiness in his eyes. I was all alone. And after that, it was Father Dominic who took care of me.
Why, son, you are sitting here alone, not going and playing
I
with
want
them?
to see my mom and dad.
They will come immediately to take you, son. Come. See, these children is also like you. Look at their face. Are they sad? If you lose anything in this age, we will gain the strength to achieve anything in rest of our life. Hmm? You go out and play.
Come.
I want to kill him. You only killed my mom and dad. I want to search for him and I will kill him. I am there for you. First, we want to escape from here. Jump.
The strong enmity on that man, that was what made me reach the outside of the orphanage. Even at that time, there was a person to help who was an angel of God. Under his shadow, our lives started blooming. When I started understanding life better, one thing I could make out, the man I'm looking for is beyond what I thought. Days, months, and years have crossed by. When I started searching for Krishna Menon, I got to know that he's taken voluntary retirement and taking care of his business. I understood that. Even though I made a lot of efforts to get to him, I could not get any closer to him. But then, to help me, Dahlia could. This resort was not noticed by a lot of people. That's the reason I planned this event here, to kill him. If I wanted, I could have killed him a long time back. The pain of a person who's waiting for death. Many times I saw that on his face. That is what I wanted. For this numb-hearted person, for my dad who was innocent and strangled by the rope of death. Not even knowing if my mother is alive. I came here with all these memories gift-wrapped. Before that, somebody else did it. Sir, you can find the actual murderer, but he must also be having a unique story to tell.
Great. Interesting story. You are very talented in making up stories.
So what do you mean?
Like the movie stories. Don't tell me this father and forefathers old stories. In Father Dominic's orphanage, the boy baby was deserted by a lady called Jolly. He grew and became big, standing in front of me and telling me the story. In the age of 10, deserting you in orphanage and getting married with another man. Is that the woman you see as mother? You tell me that. The story which you told me now, she is Christopher's mother. That Christopher who jumped out of hostel along with you, she is Jancy. If that is so, why do you want to kill Menon, sir? Is it for money or for your intimate friend? Tell me, where is Christopher?
Yes, I am Christopher.
He's right, sir. Jiva is Christopher. Jiva has openly told me everything.
Shut up! Move from here! Yesterday after the program, where were you?
We were in the room after dinner, sir.
I have a doubt that these guys are behind it.
Keep quiet, idiot! Christopher is here in this crowd, the killer of Mr. Menon. Gomadi, he's the man you saw in the dark yesterday.
I didn't see properly.
If you know anything, please tell them, baby. Menon sir is like a god to us.
Because it was dark, I couldn't see anything clearly.
An innocent dad was punished because of Menon. Paralyzed mother, orphanage childhood. Anyone can have this kind of revenge in mind. But whatever the sins he has committed, he was compensating by good deeds. On a tip of death of paralyzed mother Jancy was brought back to life. He searched for the son she lost to apologize and give his mother back. People we lost cannot be brought back. Whatever sins committed by Miss Menon, he has suffered so much for that. Without knowing all this, in the name of FM contest, organizing a program in Mr. Menon's resort to kill Sir, brilliantly made a master plan, Mr. Christopher. Christopher. Is it your purse?
No?
Yours?
Mm-hmm.
Is it yours?
Hey, this is not your purse. Tell me.
Thanks for the drink. You can go and sleep. Good night. Good night.
Is it not your purse, Mr. Christopher?
Yes! I am Christopher.
I came to this resort to kill that man. For taking away my father. For destroying the love of my mother and my childhood. I came here to take revenge of many years. This is very well planned drama. But someone else has against everything. Everything. Everything is destroyed. I'd lost everything. Jiva and Dahlia was supporting me. Jiva! He was killed. Someone is behind me.
You leave.
Nothing should happen to them. Please let them go. Jiva will take care of my mother. But I never knew that he will take care of my mother. Everything is destroyed. Lost everything.
Nothing destroyed. We destroyed it. Mr. Christopher is Dennis. When Pisharadi came with the company plan, your half of the plan is destroyed. Unexpected that coming was a stumbling block for you. Menon sir got one of your purse. He kept it. Sandra saw something near Menon sir villa and screamed. Sir had a doubt that one of you came to search of the purse. But he was not clear who is the owner of that purse among you. To confirm that, he took you guys to Father Dominic. That is the place Mr. Menon found that you are the one among you three is Christopher. Late night secretly, you went and saw your mother. This was found by father. To confirm that, sir brought me here. And our people caught Pisharadi there.
For many years, I'm carrying the Wiggins in my heart. Without leaving any evidence, I will come there.
You should come quickly here. Otherwise, the plan will get spoiled. Yes.
Then, you guys couldn't save him. I couldn't kill him too now. I don't have the pain that I didn't kill him, because whatever he wants to suffer, he has already suffered. For taking care of my mother, for confessing his sins. If my dad would have been alive, he would have forgiven him. He was punished for all his sins. He will have more enemies like me. If you can find the killer of the judge, or else that crime, keep it on my head. I will suffer and finish it. I will suffer and finish it.
Jamal.
Sir. Hello?
Do you want to see the killer of Mr. Menon?
For all the sins I have done, you can punish me now. But Almighty has already taken my wife and the life of my child who was unborn. Till date, I am doing the penance for that. I did search you and your mother too very vigorously. But I could succeed in only finding Jhansi. Now I tell you, forgive me for everything. If you can forgive me for everything, I will live without any guilt in the rest of my life. You are already the owner of all my properties. I will never blame you for anything. You guys were helping him. You all decided that I'm gone.
You are everything for us.
Why don't you leave these guests at least now?
We have some formalities. We must take these to the station.
Why don't you forget that? There is no celebration that happened here. Consider this my request.
Okay, sir. Jamal, send all of
Come
them.
on, everyone, move.
Son,
Let us all have some real fun. We have to celebrate this occasion.
Sir, please don't say
Didn't
like
ask
that.
your suggestion.
We are always ready, sir. But might be someone's marriage celebration.
Hey, shut up, man.
Hey, these guys came to celebrate in our resort. Now they are going to have marriage celebration.
Hey, if you run away with someone, you
No,
will be
no,
not
my
my daughter
daughter
anymore.
will not go with anyone.
Why don't you sing a song now?
Sing, sing.
Sir, the song which I
Ah,
told you.
yes.
I
Oh my
will sing.
God.
Pipaya from the basound of horn, we will listen. Keeping the rice and stove done.
Yeah.
Grinding the turmeric and
Very good.
apply on my face now.
Ah,
Hey!